Alright guys, you're welcome back to FinTech Space, and in this video I'll be taking you through how you can bridge from Scroll Network to the Linea Network, how you can bridge from the Scroll Network, Scroll ETH to Scroll Linea. Alright guys, so I'm going to be dropping the link to these websites to the video description, and this website is Rhino.Fi, just as you have it here. So the link will be in the description below. So most times, you might have to move some of your funds from a particular network to another, or basically depending on whichever blockchain you actually want to interact with, it might require that you have some transaction fees and stuff like that. So that is actually the reason why I created this video, so that you find it much more easier. So go to this link, app.rhino.fi. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. So click on connect wallet, just so you know that you can also change your appearance to either light or dark, depending on whichever one. So just in case you get to the website and you're seeing something different to what you have here, so click on connect wallet. So and then connect your wallet. So I've already connected my wallet. So if it were to be yours, you have to do two-step verification, two-step connection, two-step authentication. So but because I've already connected, I don't have to go through all of that before. So alright guys, so I want to swap or bridge instead. I want to bridge from Ethereum on the Scroll network to Ethereum on the Linea network. So this is where you are going to select the network. So I want to bridge from the Scroll ETH then to Linea ETH. So right now, what do I have here? It has already come up with what I have in my wallet. So and I want to bridge to Linea. So how much do I want to bridge? So I don't want to bridge everything I have on the Scroll ETH. So let me just bridge half of what I have there. Alright, so I'm just going to type max, and then I can reduce this to 4.5. So I've already reduced it into half. So if I bridge, this is what I'm going to be having on the Linea network. Do you get it? So now you can go on to bridge. So if you also want to send to another address, you can type in the address here, but for me, I'm not sending to another address, so I want it in this same address. So just click on bridge. So then you have to approve the transaction in your wallet. So you sign and you confirm. So it's processing. Can you see exactly this transaction has already been successful? And as you have it here, it's still rolling, so you can give it like 1 to 2 minutes to actually finalize the transaction. Just as you have it here, it has already been marked. The bridge has been initiated. It will be finalized and update your balance in approximately 1 minute 12 seconds. So you can track progress on the transaction record. So if you want to make another bridge, so I have it here, my last activity here was actually like 19 days ago. So that's just a simple way around it, how you can bridge from whichever network. So there are other network also that you can also bridge on here. There are other network as long as you have it available. So if you click on bridge, so okay, if you click on make another bridge, so if you scroll down, you have other network that you can bridge from as long as it's been supported currently. So you can also switch and bridge from whichever one that is available here. Alright guys, so I believe I've been able to help you with taking you through how you can bridge from one network to another. And in this video, I bridged from Scroll ETH to Scroll Linea ETH. Do you get it? Alright guys, this is FinTech Space with Team Biz, and until next time, bye for now.